welcome to Geojay Solution Tutorial channel. I am Emanje Adavirugu. Today I want to take you through Introduction to Geographic Information System (GIS). To start with, what is GIS? A Geographic Information System is an organized integration of hardware, software, and geographic data designed to capture, store, edit, analyze, share, and display geographically referenced information. Furthermore, it is a system for capturing, storing, checking, integrating, manipulating, analyzing, and displaying data which are spatially referenced to the earth. So it means it is a system to capture data and analyze it, data that are spatially referenced or geographically referenced. Now, why is GIS unique? Geography is information about the Earth surface and the object found on it. Example are people, trees, buildings, road, and so on. So then, GIS then provides a system for organizing this knowledge. More also, GIS helps to manage, analyze, and distribute geographic knowledge. So what distinguishes GIS from other information systems? We have other information systems like LIS, Land Information System, and Library Information System, and other information system. What distinguishes GIS from other information systems is that one, GIS integrates spatial and other kind of information within one system. Therefore, it offers a consistent framework for analyzing space. Furthermore, GIS makes connections between activities based on spatial proximity. And furthermore, GIS provides the mechanism for undertaking the manipulations and display of geographic knowledge. So this is introduction to GIS. In the next video, we will go to component of GIS. Thank you for watching.